Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into the town of Mandeville. Mandeville is the capital of the parish of Manchester, and Mandeville is also the largest town in Manchester. Now Mandeville is in the middle or the center of Jamaica. It's in the county of Middlesex, and Mandeville is probably outside of Kingston, Montego Bay. Mandeville is probably it's the main town basically for this section of Jamaica. You have Montego Bay for the west, you have Kingston for the KSAC area, and then you have Mandeville for this section, the middle section of Jamaica. Mandeville is sometimes referred to as the third city in Jamaica, but it's not officially a city, it's a town. Okay, so straight ahead is Caledonia Road. On the right is the Manchester Shopping Centre. On the left you have KFC, Burger King, Pizza Hut. And Mandeville has a lot of plazas. Also has a lot of infrastructure like government offices, agencies, has all the major banks, has all the major fast food restaurants. Alright, so we're now turning on to Main Street, and this will take us into the town centre. And Mandeville is also a major transportation hub in Jamaica. On the left is the Ridgemount Church, United Church. And you probably notice as we drive through, take these tours through Jamaica, Jamaica has a lot of churches, a lot of different denominations. Now there you see a sign, no right turn. Yet this car is just turning right. I mean, the indiscipline on the roads in Jamaica, it's amazing. We are in the wrong lane, actually. We can turn here. So Mandeville has the courthouse, it has a tax office, all the major amenities or agencies you would find in a main town in Jamaica, a major town. And it has 2 KFC locations, so that will give you an idea of just how busy this town is. This is where they have the no right turn sign. So you see, we went up and turned at the correct spot. It takes less than 30 seconds to go up and turn at the correct spot and come back down. But because of the level of indiscipline on the roads, people just do as they wish. Here are cars that you see them parked in the road on the left. This is the Manchester Parish Council, and this is the Manchester Parish Library on the left, a hospital on the right, Hargreaves Hospital. It's like a private hospital. There is somebody parking on the sidewalk. Alright, so straight ahead is Caledonia Road. Now we're going to take a quick tour through the Manchester Shopping Centre. It's a popular plaza, but it doesn't have any food stores. It has a supermarket, so it doesn't really follow the formula for a successful plaza. It doesn't have any food stores. There's another plaza, well, there are other plazas that have a lot more traffic than this one. There you can see a clock. Well, the clock isn't there anymore. I don't know if it was ever there, but it's a very nice monument. Alright, so this is the town of Mandeville. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Oh, and this plaza has the main supermarket, which is Shoppers Fair, as you can see straight ahead.